রিসেন্টলি আমি যখন মালদ্বীপে ভিজিট করছি আমি অনেক অপরচুনিটি আছে
65% of our population are under 35. All the time, at least about 5,000 Bangladeshis working for me, and they have been, part and parcel of my success.
and there I think so that's why I want to take the delegate.
The Maldives is a very safe and secure country. The return on investment on anything you do in the Maldives is very quick.
প্রিয় দর্শক, আজকে আমরা আছি হাউস অফ পার্লামেন্টে এবং এখানে এসে আমরা পেয়েছি, আপনারা জানেন যে মালদ্বীপ অত্যন্ত সুন্দর একটি দেশ। এশিয়ার মধ্যে মালদ্বীপের এখন টুরিস্ট আকর্ষণের ক্ষেত্রে তারা অনেক এগিয়ে যাচ্ছে এবং আজকে আমরা মালদ্বীপের মিনিস্ট্রির সাথে কথা বলেছি এবং মালদ্বীপে একটি চমৎকার রিসোর্টের যিনি আছেন জিন্না ভাই এখানে আছেন এবং আমাদের জিল্লুর ভাই আজকে কমনওয়েলথের পক্ষ থেকে এটা আয়োজন করেছেন। আমি একটু জানতে চাই যে আসলে হোয়াট ইজ দি স্পেশালিটি ইউ হ্যাভ ইন Maldives to attract more British people and especially all the Bangladeshi people like the Maldives?
The Maldives is a very safe and secure country. The return on investment on anything you do in the Maldives is very quick. Any investment you will make between 15 to 20% return, so which means even if you invest $100 million, you will be able to recover in 5 to 6 years and you can enjoy the fruits of that. Maldives is also naturally very beautiful country, so you can enjoy while you do business. You also enjoy our natural environment. The people are very friendly and also very hardworking, and we also have a very young population. Wow. 65% of our population are under 35. Wow. And so they're very dynamic, very ambitious, very entrepreneurial. So that is how we succeed. I was a young man sometime, and Maldives had nothing. But young people like us work very hard to make Maldives what it is today.
Tell us, definitely there are beautiful places. So which places do you think that people can tour in Maldives?
It is going to be very unfair if I also own many resorts, and I'm also developing very beautiful resorts. So there are the top-notch, like my resort is number 1 in Asia and number 3 in the world. Wow. Waldorf Astoria Maldives is a partnership between me and 2 Qatari investors. So there are a lot of other resorts like the Four Seasons, Six Senses, Ritz-Carlton, what else? One and Only. So the top brands in the world are there. We also have the guest house tourism, which is held in the villages. So the country has now opened up, and a lot of investments are being made in small boutique hotels, and a lot of people from around the world are traveling. So in these hotels you can stay, at very affordable rates. But the Maldives concept of one resort for the luxury market is still the best concept for the world, because the beaches are all private, the villas are all private, nobody can go onto the island except the guests who pay to stay. So that is why it is so secure and safe and special. And the Maldivians are very friendly people. And I also want to note one thing, that my success is because of a lot of good things that happen from Bangladesh. The best thing that happened to me from Bangladesh are the people. I have all the time at least about 5,000 Bangladeshis working for me, and they have been part and parcel of my success. So I want to thank all those people from Bangladesh who have worked for our company over the years, who have contributed to my business as well as for the development of the Maldives. They are very good people.
MashaAllah, fantastic. Nice to know there are 5,000 people, Bangladeshi people working for this gentleman. We are really grateful that people from Bangladesh are really having a good time in your company. I believe you will get more people from Bangladesh, and that will basically gonna make more connection between Maldives and Bangladesh. But I would like to ask Jillur Bhai a simple question. What really brings him to do all this work, bringing all these ministers from the Commonwealth country, and especially now in Maldives? আর আমরা জানি যে জিল্লুর ভাই হচ্ছেন কমনওয়েলথের স্ট্র্যাটেজিক অ্যাডভাইজার এবং উনি মালদ্বীপ নিয়ে কাজ করছেন। আর একটু সুসংবাদ দিতে চাচ্ছি, উনি মালদ্বীপে এখান থেকে কিন্তু ব্রিটিশ বাংলাদেশিদের নিয়ে মালদ্বীপ ভ্রমণ করবে এবং ব্রিটিশ অনেকে নিয়ে মালদ্বীপ সে বিষয়ে জিল্লুর ভাই কাছে একটু জানতে চাই।
আচ্ছা, আসলে মালদ্বীপ তো একটা ডেস্টিনেশন কান্ট্রি, অ্যান্ড হলিডের জন্য কিন্তু বাংলাদেশ থেকে অনেক 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 লোকই কিন্তু মালদ্বীপে হলিডেতে যায়। রিসেন্ট আমি যখন মালদ্বীপে ভিজিট করছি আমি অনেক অপরচুনিটি আছে অ্যান্ড ওয়েন আই মিট মোহাম্মদ জিন্না we explored the opportunities in Maldives, and there I think so. That's why I want to take the delegate to Maldives and B2B business delegates we can do as a banking finance sectors we can explore, tourism we can explore. So that was one of the reason I want to take the opportunities and show the opportunity to the people on Bangladeshi or any other national to the Commonwealth countries to Maldives.
মালদ্বীপের গভর্নমেন্ট কেমন মানে ফ্রেন্ডলি বলে আপনি মনে করছেন?
I mean, they're very open. Maldives government are very open, and that's the reason I say Mohammed Ali Jinnah, they're very open-minded. They want to see the people going there, investors going there, and we are working through the Commonwealth and other things. We are working on it to put more investment on Maldives, and as always in my interest, get the Bangladeshis there as well. Facilities the Bangladeshi worker there, and one of the requests I'm going to be asked on the cameras now, our honorable advisor, to make sure our Bangladeshi brothers look after their Bangladeshi brothers. I know there's a lot of issues going in Bangladeshi brothers are struggling there. So hopefully Mohammed Ali Jinnah will raise it and facilitate the Bangladeshi communities on Maldives.
Fantastic. Thank you, Jullu Bhai, and thank you, Mohammed Ali Jinnah, for your beautiful interview and this lots of information we have received from you. We believe many Bangladeshi will visit Maldives, and we will see Maldives as a beautiful country and in the Asia. Thank you so much.